Welcome to Artek. Today we're going to be talking about one of our integrations with the Garmin Core System, specifically Rixen's Enterprise, the Hydronic system that we paired with the Garmin Core System. The reason that we paired with Rixen's Enterprise was because they have incredible support throughout the country. We also have access to their engineers, allowing us to integrate seamlessly their system into ours. To integrate with the Garmin Core System from Rixen's, you'll mitigate a few of the components that you're used to seeing, such as their temperature sensor as well as their screen. However, this will be replaced with a 4-pin Molex connector, of which 2 of those are used. There's going to be a red CAN high and a blue CAN low. This will connect up to the RVC cabling, with your red wire going to the white wire on the RVC cabling and the blue wire going to the blue wire on the RVC cabling. This connector goes into the white 4-pin connection point on the Rixen's board and simply snaps into place. You'll be able to see all of the key parameters on the Garmin Core System when integrated with Rixen's. However, because the Rixen's board deploys its own Wi-Fi network locally, you'll be able to see all of the existing suite of features on your mobile app directly from the Rixen's Wi-Fi, as you would had it not been included in our system. This is really important because we wanted to give Rixen's the opportunity to support their system the exact same way, regardless of whether it is integrated with our system. Because we've been working with Rixen's for a while, it also allows us to support their system in the same way that we always have. For diagnostic shooting, connecting up to this Wi-Fi is going to give you more parameters that are currently available on the Garmin system and allow you to troubleshoot, as well as have all of your key error codes and prime the fuel pump, etc, etc. Thanks for following along today, talking about Rixen's integration with the Garmin Core System. If you've got any questions, please reach out to our team, and as always, we'll leave all of the applicable links in the description below.